Hey guys, it's Master Chief again. This time I wanted to show you my 8800 GTS Zombie mod. You can see it right here. It's an old Nvidia 8800 GTS with G80 GPU, 640 megabytes memory as you know it. So I fried the voltage regulation on this thing because I ripped the resistor from it. That was not really smart. But it opened the possibility to test my 2900 XT Zombie on it. So what we've got here is a 2900 XT by AMD in the year 2007 or something. And this card had a pretty beefy voltage regulation. So the card I got this from was also defective. So I just cut the whole thing in half, modded it following Tin's tutorial. Many thanks for that, by the way. Wouldn't be able to do it without that. Then I soldered the whole thing onto the 8800 GTS. And the problem which I had then, so everything worked perfectly. I just had the problem that this module here produces only a default GPU voltage of 1 volt. So the GTS usually works with 1.3 volt, so 1 volt is just not enough to operate it well. So I did the following. The thing is, you can't just mod the controllers on this thing with a simple FB mod with a variable resistor soldered to the voltage controller, and you turn the variable resistor and the voltage goes up. That doesn't work for this because these controllers can only be controlled by software. So what I did then was I got this little neat thing here. It's an EVC from Elmore. You can go to the HW board forums and order one yourself. These pins go these cables go directly to the voltage controller, and the other end is just a USB connection which goes into your PC. Install the drivers, and what we did then, you can open this little control panel right here. Don't question the loading times. It's a very old CPU on this thing, so you can just so 2900 XT isn't in this table, but you can see the voltage controller of it is. It's the Volterra 1165. Just click this, then you can adjust the voltage. Let's apply 1.3 volt, which is the default of the GTS. Click apply. And then you can see this multimeter is connected to the GPU voltage. Now stands at 1.31 volt approximately. So let's see if this card can run 3D Macro 3 with this setup. From the back here, my cables. So everything in the shots. You can see it's nearly exactly 1.3 volt. Nearly no ripple, which is really nice. The original voltage regulation of the GTS was much worse actually. Hope you can hear me over the sound of the Delta fan, by the way. This setup is just come together. I just wanted to test my Zombie a little bit. So usually my PCs don't look like this, don't worry. They look like that usually. Okay, so 3D Macro 3 amps. I believe I had this card even overclocked a little. I don't know, it doesn't matter. It ran the test. And you can see solid frame rate, everything stable. Wonderful. Card works again. Zombie works. Nothing went up in flames, which is a giant achievement for me because this was my first mod. Oh yeah, what I forgot to mention. Both GPU and memory voltage are driven by the red 2900 XT PCB. I just have one multimeter at the moment, and thus you can see only the GPU voltage on there. Memory voltage is also driven by this red PCB. So the card, the GTS, has in fact no original voltage regulation anymore. And it works splendidly. Hope you enjoyed it.